It's Misa with OCDetailing, and today we're looking at this M5. This current color is called Marina Bay Blue Metallic, and what we're actually going to do is we're going to do a stealth wrap on this with our XPEL Stealth. So it's going to go matte, except for this carbon fiber roof up here, we're going to do ULTRAFIT's XP Crystal on that, and that's going to be great because the carbon fiber can actually yellow over time. So having that XP Crystal on top is going to help preserve it. So yeah, really excited to see how it turns out. So stay tuned and we'll see ya. This is the finished product. So here we took this Marina Bay Blue Metallic BMW M5 and we did that XPEL Stealth on top of it, and this is how it turned out. Looking really, really cool. We also did a little fine details for this guy. So we actually swapped out the front mesh grille as well as the side intake grills. And then we also did the mirror caps in this carbon fiber. On top of that, we also included the complementary ceramic coating that went on all surfaces of the vehicle. And then we baked that so it's fully good to go for our customer. And then we also did an interior coating on this. So for that, that's really great for protecting all of the interior, like whether it's leather or fabric and stuff like that. This should be good to go. It's looking really cool. This matte finish is really, really nice in this color and it might be one of my favorites that we've done so far. So yeah, excited for the customer to come see it.
Finished. They made me stay after hours yesterday to finish this. You're welcome, Mr. Professor Customer Guy.